What's up, everybody? It's Ryan with Cox Customs. So today I encountered an issue on my 2019 Road Glide, and I was a little frustrated. So I started inspecting the bike, and I was having a hard neutral problem, which is a hard time getting it into neutral. So I was looking at the shift linkage, and the ball is actually loose. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to show you how to replace the shifter linkage with the upgraded Heim joint linkage. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so first thing you're going to do is grab a 13 millimeter, loosen the front nut here, which is a 13, and then you're going to loosen this, which is a 10 millimeter, and the shift linkage is going to come off. Alright, now measure from the middle of the rod here to the middle of the rod here. You can also just set it in there like this and kind of eyeball it. Which is about close. And then you're going to follow this diagram, and that's how you're going to put it back together. So it comes out in the front, the nut is going to, the bolt is going to come through the back, and then the rear of the shift linkage is going to go through the front. So now you're going to reinstall everything. I would recommend putting some Loctite on the bolts, and everything is 11 millimeters. So you're going to want to tighten your front, tighten your rear, and then tighten the jam nuts. And that is it. That is the finished product. Alright everybody, so I tightened everything down. I tested it. It worked great. It fixed my issue. I love it. Feels a lot different. So that's all. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram. It's KOFFS_customs, KUSTOMZ. Thanks guys. Be cool. Stay safe.